To show you guys what my skin currently look like right now. So here is my skin right now, and this is my skin before I started using topicals. So if you're an acne prone skin girly or you are prone to hyperpigmentation, you all know the struggle is, which is why constantly we are always looking for products that is going to help us tackle this problem. And you guys, you know I'm here to always try out products for you. So we are going to be reviewing Faded by Topicals. First of all, why did I like this product? Why did I choose to buy this product? It's not because it's popular. Personally, I'm a big fan of products that contains cocktail of ingredients. And what do I mean by cocktail of ingredients? I mean, I like products that does not only contain one ingredient that can tackle hyperpigmentation. I like product that contains like series of them, like about 6 or 5. Any product like that, you always find me there. Because apart from the fact that it saves you money, it also makes your work easier. It tackles the hyperpigmentation faster than just having one product. You know, it's just like you using niacinamide alone when you can use niacinamide, kojic acid, alpha butyl, tranexamic acid. Do you get, like, all in a single product? Which is why I always go for products that contain cocktail of ingredients. So Faded by Topicals got my heart with that, like, on chocolate. So when we look at the ingredient list on this thing, from the packaging, you guys, and it comes in a tube-like container. It's 50 ml, by the way. First ingredient list that was highlighted was kojic acid, and you all know the importance of kojic acid if you have hyperpigmentation. Kojic acid is like the safer alternative to hydroquinone. It gets the job done. It's a tyrosinase inhibitors. It helps to, reduce the production of melanin, which helps tackle your hyperpigmentation. It contains tranexamic acid, which is my favorite ingredient, by the way. I love tranexamic acid because it was one of the first ingredients that actually really works for my hyperpigmentation after trying series of them. So I love any product that contains tranexamic acid. And it also contains melatonin. It contains niacinamide. We all know the function of niacinamide, right? It contains licorice roots, and it contains azelaic acid. If you have been on my channel for a while, you also know what I think about azelaic acid. If you don't know, go and watch this video right now. So those are like the highlighted ingredients, but it contains more than that. So we are going to check the packaging for you. So now when we look at the ingredient list, the first thing we can see here is that it contains water. After water, brightening tyrosinase inhibitors ingredients that it contains. The first one is niacinamide. The second one I can see here is tranexamic acid. The third one I can see here is alpha butyl. You guys also know that alpha butyl is like a safer alternative to hydroquinone. It's a derivative of hydroquinone, but with less irritation and a safer alternative. So it contains alpha butyl, kojic dipalmitate. It contains glutathione. Need I say more, you guys? Use turmeric butter. It contains azelaic acid. It contains licorice root extract. It contains melatonin. It contains alatone. It contains centella and sciatica. Zinc bisinonate. From a chemist point of view, what I'm actually getting from this ingredient list is the fact that it contains lots of tyrosinase inhibitors. Apart from that, it also contains ingredients that can also help you tackle acne. First of all, like azelaic acid, and also I can see zinc here. Zinc also helps to tackle acne. Niacinamide, it helps with, overproduction of oil. It minimizes pores and also tackles sebum. It also contains lot of soothing ingredients, so you are not just getting tyrosinase inhibitors alone, you're also getting hydrating products in return because it contains glycerin. I can see centella sciatica. Yes, it contains centella sciatica. It also contains tocopherol. You guys, it also contains lots of antioxidants. So who wouldn't want to get their hands on this product? Which is why I actually bought it. So there's this popular opinion out there that this thing smells like shit. And you guys, for some weird reason, I don't find this odor very expensive. But that is just my own personal opinion. A lot of people find the odor very, very, very offensive. if you want to get this product, that is something to look out for. This is what the consistency looks like. So here's what the consistency of this thing looks like. And let me just warn you guys, this thing contains oil and tends to get oily sometimes. Because let me just show you guys. So this is what this thing looks on application. You can see it gives my skin this hydrated look. But then I've also noticed from constant use of this product that if you are not careful, it contains oil. So it was even stated there it has seed oil, it contains jojoba oil, it contains shea butter, so it does contain some level of oil, so that is expected. And also when using this product, please, your sunscreen is very very important, because it is stated on the packaging that sunburn alert. You know, for a manufacturer to state that something sunburn alert, that means you must not joke with your sunscreen whenever you are using this product, because it does contain lots of products that can make your skin very sensitive to the sun. So it will just be like pouring water inside basket if you are using this kind of product and you're not using sunscreen. I have been using this product for the past 14 days now, and let me put a disclaimer out there, this is not the first time I'm using this product. As you can see, I'm almost out. That's because whenever I have hyperpigmentation, I tend to use this product, and once my hyperpigmentation is gone, to a maintenance routine. So instead of going on in when I have hyperpigmentation like I'm currently going on in right now, once I'm able to get rid of the current pH on my face, I'm going to switch to a maintenance routine. And what do I mean by maintenance routine? I'm not going to be using this faded as often as I used to use it. Sometimes I'll not even use it at all, and I will just be using the likes of maybe single product like maybe niacinamide or tranexamic acid serum. I hope you get the gist. So that's what I do. And personally, it's just to save money. It's not that I cannot decide to be using this too for maintenance. So if you have post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which is popularly known as dark spot, you have melasma, this is like the one product that you should get your hands on. And why am I saying this? Is because it actually does work. So I said that I've been using this product for 14 days. One thing I actually see a lot of people make when it comes to tackling hyperpigmentation is they are not patient enough. If you have hyperpigmentation, please do not expect that your hyperpigmentation is going to go in like 2 weeks. No, it's not possible. Hyperpigmentation takes months. Like, do you know it's a scarring of a tissue? So it takes months to repair, you guys. So you're going to give yourself time to put that disclaimer out there in case you are looking for a 7 days action. This is not going to be the product for you. It does require patience, because this is not ideal. No, it does not work that fast. It requires patience and consistent routine. And also how to use this product. For starters, if you're a beginner, you're not expected to be using this product every single day. You're supposed to work your way to that. So if you use this product on Monday as a beginner, you need to try it once a week first and see how your skin reacts to it. So once a week, if you use it Monday, use it next week Monday, do that for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and see how your skin reacts. If nothing happens, then switch it up to 3 times a week. If nothing happens, switch it up to every day, because it is by constant use that you can see results faster, because once a week is not going to help. So one thing I actually noticed with this product is if you are not careful and you are too I want results fast, it tends to break people out. I've seen a lot of people say that this product breaks them out. And reason why it will break them out is because some people are actually really sensitive to jojoba oil, and this does contain jojoba oil. Some people react to azelaic acid, some people react to niacinamide, so you need to really watch out for product that contains that. And azelaic acid also tends to lead to minimal purging, so you might experience that while using this product. So it is nothing to worry about. You just need patience. So if you can afford to get this product, I think you should get it. Hit the subscribe button. Please share this video with anybody that you know is currently dealing with hyperpigmentation, because they will need to get their hands on Faded by Topicals.